Welcome back to my channel! This is my vlog number 2! Yes! Vlog number 2 na tayo mga best! But anyway, what is this vlog all about? This is all about yung meet up namin ng best friend ko, she is Edna. So, yan. Walang medyo food tripping, kwentuhan. Yun lang naman yung ginawa namin today. First stop namin is yung sa Foxtrot and Echo. It is located dito lang malapit sa area namin. So, yan. Come, join me!
Cause my love is gone. Everybody gets a chance to burn. You can take it as a lesson. Honey, baby, that you want me.
Okay guys, ito na yung pinaka-area nila. So, yan, may maganda silang landscape ng mga halaman. Tapos, ito yung area namin. Dito kami umupo. Ayan yung food namin. Yung friend ko, si Tenten. Ayan yung aming place. So, ito, may magandang mga upuan. Tapos, dito sa side na to, ito yung order area.
I miss my old friends cause they know when I need them the most. I made some new friends and they're cool friends, but they don't know what I do, what I got, who I am and who I'm not. I miss my old friends, I miss my old friends. Never do.
Hi guys! So, nandito na kami sa second stop namin na food tripping namin. Ito yung Joel and Clem. So, ayan. Ito siya. Ito yung kanyang bang. Kaya siya kadami. Ayan. So, ayan. Ito kami sa friend ko. Ngayon, si Eden. Yung best friend ko, nag-laro lang kami na sungka, guys. Ayan. Pwede kayo magsungka. Yan. So, yun lang. Banding-banding lang. Kasi medyo matagal na rin kami hindi nagkita. So, ito yung kanilang mga menu. So, may dish na yung mga burger. So, ang order namin is yung Checo Pesto Salad. So, yan. And then, some appetizer. Pero, ang in-order namin na appetizer is yung kanilang ito, yung Alex na blueberry cheesecake. So, ito siya, yung blueberry cheesecake na yan. Yum! Yan, guys. May mga add-ons din. Dumating na yung food namin. Yun na siya. Tara, kain! Ang cute naman ng itsura. So, yun. Dito naman kami sa amin. Second stopover. Ito yung Joel and Clem Cafe. Again, same with my best friend, si Eden. Yes. Si Eden, kwento mo, kailan pa tayo mag-best friend? Since high school. Yeah, so high school pa lang. So, imagine mo, ilang years na yung pagkasama. Yan. Hindi na ako siya nag-cake. Para fresh yung cake namin. Wala lang. Kasi tagal na namin hindi nagkita. Yeah. So, bonding namin to. So, yun lang guys. thanks for watching my video. That ends my vlog for today. And hope you like it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And comment down below for any suggestions, comments, or advices na gusto nyong ibigay sa akin. So, yun na. Until my next video. Bye-bye! Subscribe!